I'm gonna put y'all on game real quick. Here's 3 tips to help you on your fitness journey. Number 1, personal space is a personal responsibility. I understand you're mesmerized. Is he natty or not? Secretly comparing your baby gains to a 15-year veteran at this. I'm not a zoo animal, but you act like you can't communicate like one. If you want to ask questions, having a staring contest isn't the way to go, my guy. Number 2, respect the gym equipment. Hey hero, slamming those weights because you're too weak to control the movement is not making you any stronger faster. No matter how much you grunt for me to notice your effort. So please, respect the equipment because we all use it. And number 3, leave your ego at the door. Lifting every weight around the gym at the same time is not helping you gain anything any faster. Your clueless just annoys the rest of us that much faster. So if you don't know what you're doing and you keep refusing to ask for help, yet you feel insecure enough to distract me from my concentration, I'm gonna need you to stop, go home, and study the damn basics. So that was 3 fitness tips. I hope you guys appreciate those.